Okay, hi. Hi, I'm gonna say story. A long time ago, a fat man entered a hotel, and it was haunted, and people slaughtered his ass, and people got mad at him. He wrapped up like a little girl. Okay? I hate the Italian food. Italian, I need to go pee. Okay. Hold on, I'll just be back in a minute. I'll leave this note for Natalia sometime. Okay. Yeah, she wants to go pee. So So in one part, my magazine. Sorry that you guys had to wait. You guys really had to wait that long. Okay. Not that reason. So one part she said if your kids want to praise Jesus in class, I suggest they enroll to the Sweet Holy Mother of God Academy on Love Jesus Street, but not here. So I was on a stool, so I started crashing up when she said it, and I fell off the chair. I hit my head, and I started gushing blood on my chin for some apparent reason, because I bit it, because my glasses hit it really hard. And then I started laughing, not crying. And then my brother said, "Why aren't you crying?" And I go, "Because it was hilarious." And then I smacked him and I walked away. Oh yeah, Michelle. Okay. So once when I was little, my mom she was making something on the stove, and it was like boiling hot, like I could boil the water. And then I took the chair up to the stove and I looked at it, and then for some reason it just tipped on top of me. My back burned, and like I didn't even have to go to the emergency room. My mom just went to the store quickly to get some cream for me, and then why are you looking at me? Look at me. And then well, yeah, okay, yeah, okay. Bye. Alright, like Natalie's turn. I grew a mustache. I'm just kidding. Well, now you grew it. This first one good. Thanks. Oh, this reminds me. Yesterday I made a flower pen with my friend. Well, we wanted to use perfume. It's not flowers, but we did. So we used his Dad aftershave cooling aftershave. It was so like strong. I used your mom's perfume. Hold on, baby. So it's just like fun. Yeah. Hey, Daddy. Can you do it? It's really fun. I know. So yeah, and then I got a bunch on my shirt. So I took off my shirt. I wore one of her mom's dresses, and then we washed it, and it smelled so good. Like it smelled like soap. There you go, Michelle's turn. Okay, so I put. Do you want some food? No. Okay. You want some food? Okay. One. Okay. Actually, me and my We went school shopping and something, yeah, and we got like Mother's Day presents for like my mom and like yeah. And then after we came back to my house, because we were shopping, then we came back home. Oh my God! I asked my sister, can I ride my bike, like up and down the street? She said yes. I rode my bike a couple times, and then it wouldn't turn, so I smashed into a fire hydrant, and then this like lady, her husband was like he was like a doctor, and then he's he like worked in like a hospital or something, and then she saw what happened, and then I smashed into a fire hydrant. I got a huge gash. It was like an inch and a half deep long, and then she walked me to my house, and then my sister Sarah, she called my mom, and then she called the ambulance, okay, and then my mom, I had to get stitches, but it was like kind of like a long time ago, like a year ago or something.
No lie!
What was it?
During the school year this year.
No?
Yeah! Yeah, it was.
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was.
Nope.
Yeah.
Okay, it happened to me. Did it happen to you?
No, but you showed me, and you still have the mark.
No. Nuh-uh. Yeah, because she said it would be there for like a long time.
Then why did the guy come this year?
What guy?
The guy who works at the hospital.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You're just talking about the lady. She got him this year. Don't listen to her.
No, I got him last year. Oh wait, it didn't even happen to you, Talia, so how do you know? Because you didn't even know to like 20 days, to like 2 weeks, to like 4 weeks later.
No, 2 weeks.
No.
Yeah. I was the second one to know.
No, you weren't.
Of your friends.
No.
Yeah.
No, you were like the 30th.
Out of your friends?
Yes.
Who was your first?
Well, she actually told the whole class, which was 20 people, and I told my 10 other friends.
No, your first friend was neighborhood.
Whose neighborhood?
Neighborhood.
Yeah, okay, you didn't say it in the neighborhood, okay?
How did that do?
Okay, bye! Last year, bye.